They don't even care.
City life is developed.
So you have to
So
think
sir
about
can't find the
Just because
they throw in
survive there.
About the migration of the
and they do not.
find several kind of
Morning everyone. Good morning. How are you doing? Good. I'm also doing good. So my name is Rohit Kumar. I'm the student of this institute. So we are going to play the debate game, and my team is supporting city life and my opponent team is supporting village life. Let's begin the game without wasting further ado.
Okay, so first of all, village people are more connected towards the environment, so they are more environment friendly rather than people who are living in a city where they don't even care about where they are living. They are just throwing their garbage outside their home. But it is not with the village life people. They are more care about. We have seen the Chipko movement. We have seen a lot of movement in the past as well as in the present, which is going on right now in Ladakh, in northeast Indian states. So they are more concerned about environment.
Okay, have you ever seen the toilet in the village? Because you get to see the toilets in the new cities, because the facilities which you get to see in the cities you can't see in the village life. Why so? Because the city life is developing, and there are several facilities which you get to see which you are unable
Sir,
to see.
you are telling about the development. How can you get a development by cutting the trees which live in the village life? And you are saying about the toilet. The people go to the washroom in the land. They just convert it in the fertilizer. They use in the field, not throwing outside your house. You have to think
sir,
about that.
I think the city life is better than the village life, because in city you can find each and every facility. Means you can find the transportation, medicine facility and technology. Each and everything you can find in the city. But these things you can't find in the village. And as you talk about the environment, and we know that means in city the people people are focusing on the sustainable development. Do you know about the sustainable development? So what about that?
So ma'am,
thing?
I
We
want
are
to stop
focusing-
here. There are some points which are the village life is better. They are the better environment, and there are the better things were like available. Then just because of the environment, like the many of the
So
trees,
as
there are the
sir
many
I
of the
said
plants
about
available.
in the city life, the people are throwing garbage in front of their house. Where you have seen the garbage they throw in front of their house. In the city, there are many dustbin, and there are some cars developed for throwing garbage, and in the government.
Okay, sir. The village life is better than the city life. I am also from Uttarakhand, and I see there are many villagers who survive their lives with a better one. Like the villagers also live longer than a city life. City life is like there are many pollution, air pollution,
Okay,
any
so sir,
kind of
can you
noise
tell me
pollution.
how do get facilities in village side? If in city side we can get medical facility, education facility, and so many things. And if I talk about the migration of the city side, so one third of the population of India so migrate there in city. How do you know about the one third of them in mathematics? 75%, less than 75%.
So what I want to stop that village life also lots of facility. Like I talk about education system. So education system much better compared to city life, because of in city life the teachers are very laziness, and they do not give any type of proper education according to village life. In village life, teachers are very hard work, and they are not laziness. They give a good education to
Which
students.
education are you talking? That in village life you can see there is no facilities like bench facilities at all. But in that city life you can find several kind of facilities. And if I talk about that technology, by that technology we can get so many knowledge like AI at all, and we can search several things on the Google.
We
But
can
in
see
that-
your knowledge, okay? Don't teach me about your knowledge and don't teach me about math, okay? We are more, village people are more intellectual rather than the city people who don't even care about other people's, okay? They don't even know who is residing beside them, okay? And the other thing is that
We are
you
also
talking
bothering
about
you.
cleaning.
Sorry for
You are
bothering
about
you.
talking about
Sorry for
cleaning,
bothering you,
so
but
let
we
me
are
tell
also
about
bothering you
they are
somehow.
more-
Why?
more
Because
hygiene.
you are not understanding what we are talking about. We are talking about why city life is better than the village life. We get to see the several facilities as in terms of the medicine, in terms of the hospitality, which is you cannot see in the village life. If I give you the very simple example, if you want to take any medicine from the medicine shop, so you can go in 24/7, you can buy it. But if I talk about the village, you can't go. You can't find.
Sir,
the
but you
medicine
don't.
shop.
Sir, you know that the most of the medicine are coming from the villages. If you don't live in the villages, how can you get the medicine? If you go to the medical shop and get the medicine, how can you? If you cut the trees from the villages, how can you get the type of medicine? You have to think about that. You are saying that village life is not good. So our youngsters is
sir,
living from the village life.
So sir, let me tell you one thing. That means as you talk about the medicine, so we get the means as I talk the medical facilities, we get them in cities the better than the, we can find the medical facility better in the cities better than the
Okay, ma'am,
village.
you
We
all
don't
are
find
talking about the medicines or that things. Like you are not aware about the past time. We are like Ayurveda, something like we are using to like your parents or your grandfather or your grandmother makes the Ayurveda drink like it, so you can take and you can easily fit on your body, and you can also.
So you are talking about the Ayurveda, but nowadays in the society many people are forgetting about the old time medicines like Ayurveda, and in today's generation everybody doctor recommend the English medicine, and English medicine are now trending and onwards. And on the other hand, if we talk about the education in the society, education
Okay,
society
I
in
want
the
to
village.
stop here because village people have the lots of the like alternative like medicine also, just like the leaves and just like all the things. And
Sir,
if
you are
are
talking about the education in village side, but you see in village side people are going to means by the walk. There is no get facilities, the bus, the autos, there is nothing. But in cities life there is so many facilities we get. And if I talk about the medical health, so we can see in the city side AIMS, so which is the means largest medical
So
health
what I want to stop that
all over India.
you say the transportation in a city life there are lots of transports, and that's give too much pollution. But in village life there is no pollution, and there is everything freshness. And if we talk about in village life, so village life have a lots of things like a freshness, and you can take easily something. Suppose you take a food, so we get a fresh food compared to city life. In city life we get a frozen food and we get a cheap food. So it is a good thing because.
Okay, are you talking about that pollution at all? You don't think that in village life you can find a several pollution? Why? Because we are using a transportation system. And second thing is that who were talking about that Ayurvedic medicine at all? You don't know about that. What's the medicine involved in that material at all? But if I talk
You guys are taking drugs. You guys are drinking contaminated water. You guys are breathing smoked air. Literally, you guys are smoking air in the city. Delhi is one of the most polluted city, and even in the most populated city in the world. Okay, so get a fact checked about yourself, guys. What are you talking about? Something.
So why you are not living in city? Why you are not living in village? Why you are living in city? Why you are teaching here? Why you are coming here? Why you are learning here? Because we are having a facilities. We are making the videos. Why we are making videos here? Because we want to upload it on the
Okay, sir, you
YouTube
are
profile.
talking about
Okay, let me complete first. So, okay, if I talk about the several factors of the city, we have a multiple factors.
Okay, sir, I have a question for you. You said that you come here. Why you are come here? So in the holidays, you all go. Why you are all going to like a forest or something like a villagers area, like a forest and rivers?
See, everyone wants entertainment in their life, so that's why we usually go for the trip on the hill station, on the other places, because in the city we are not having that much popular places, because all
See,
are
whenever a pandemic comes, okay, you all guys ran away to your villages. We have seen in the 2090s, most of the 90% of the people of Delhi were trying to get a train ticket or a bus ticket just to get their village home safely. Okay, so don't teach me how village life is providing what they are living.
So if sir village life is good, so why people migrate towards the city? Why even for the operation also people comes in the city, because we know the medical facilities are good in the cities. You can't find that much facilities in the village. And even as you said, for the environment, we are focusing on the sustainable development, so we don't harm any kind of
So, ma'am, what type of development are you doing for the cleanness of the Delhi pollution? You know that the Delhi pollution have the highest of the risk to live here. We migrate here for the further reason. It is not mean that we here to live for there. The Delhi is the most polluted city in the world, as sir said that. But you have
Sir,
to
can you
listen.
tell me, why are you migrating in city life? Why? Because there is in city life you can get so many facilities, but in not village. If you are a good speaker, so why are you living in village side? Why? Because in city side we can get so many facilities about the healthcare, about the education. And if I talk about the some of
I want to stop here because there are the most of the natural resources in the like village, and there the more thing like village people are like brave, are like intelligent, like toward to the like the city
So
people.
let's talk about the employment, as most of the people from the village side, why they migrate in the city for their jobs and for their application or for their studies? Why are you, if the village side is very good, then why are you coming here in the city to study for your college or for your universities or for doing great in your business?
So, okay, but I want to stop. You said about employment. So, lots of companies are shifted from city life to village life because of taxes. In city life, there's too much of taxes, but in village life, there is less taxes. And I talk about workers. So, in village, workers are very hard work, and they are not laziness compared to city life. In city life, I see that lots of workers doing smoking while
Okay,
working.
are
in
you
company.
talking about that tax at all? In village life, you don't you think that lenders gives a lagan at all? And what are the conditions they follow it? That farmers don't pay a lagan at all, and they laws over the